separate studies confirm that you now need more than $1.5 million to retire and live a frugal life. Hi, this is Ivory Hecker for Noble Gold News. According to a recent Charles Schwab survey, the average savings goal in the U.S. has risen to $1.8 million, up from $1.7 million last year. This survey includes 1,000 participants in the 401k plans nationwide and was released on Wednesday. Nearly 80% of those surveyed mentioned that inflation and market volatility have hindered their ability to save more this year. Furthermore, 36% of respondents indicated that they would need to postpone retirement because of these financial pressures. Although the year-over-year increase in the retirement savings target is about 6%, the confidence among workers that they will meet their goal has declined. Only 37% now think that it's, quote, very likely that they will reach their target, down from 47% last year and 53% in 2021. The challenge of saving enough for retirement is becoming more acute. Americans face a significant retirement savings gap, and potential reductions in Social Security benefits could exacerbate the problem. A Vanguard report noted that at the end of last year, the average balance for participants in defined contribution plans was more than $112,000, with a median of $27,000. At Fidelity Investments, the average 401k balance was $108,000 in the first quarter of 2023. Another study, this time by Northwestern Mutual, says that the average person now believes that they need $1.5 million to retire comfortably, a figure nearly 17 times greater than the $88,000 that savers currently have on average. This discrepancy, which has increased by 16% from last year, underscores the growing challenges the U.S. faces. We're seeing a rise in our over 65 population. That population is likely to live longer than previous generations, and we're staring down possible cuts to Social Security benefits. The chief strategy officer at Northwestern Mutual noted that due to rising costs, the perceived necessary amount for a comfortable retirement has jumped by 50% since the pandemic. This has intensified the need for careful planning and disciplined saving, especially as life expectancies extend. They also pointed out generational differences in retirement expectations. Gen Z and Millennials estimate that they need over $1.6 million for a comfortable retirement. Gen X is slightly less, while baby boomers, who are the nearest to retirement age, have the lowest requirement of $990,000. A breakdown of current savings by generation shows stark challenges. Gen Z has saved an average of $22,800, Millennials $62,600, Gen X $108,600, and Boomers $120,300. Tax planning will be key. To address these gaps, advanced tax planning is recommended. This involves diversifying assets according to different types of accounts that are taxed differently. Northwestern Mutual warns that many savers invest in 401ks without realizing that withdrawals in retirement are taxed as ordinary income, which could push retirees into higher tax brackets, typically around 20 to 30%. One way to go about it is by opening a Roth Gold IRA. Your capital gains won't be taxed when you start liquidating. In the last 5 years alone, gold has gone up more than 84% and more than 500% in the last 21 years. Noble Gold Investments can definitely help you here. They have US-based associates waiting on the phone, ready to answer your questions.